guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my channel. Sometimes we do makeup, sometimes we don't do makeup. So today is a makeup video, and I saw this challenge somewhere. I'm not sure if it's popular yet, but I saw Alyssa actually do it on her channel, and I figured, why not? Let's do this challenge. So as the title goes, I'm going to explain how the game works. But before that, if you are new, please hit the subscribe button for me. We are trying to get ourselves to 1K followers, and if you are old, please do like this video, comment your thoughts on the video, and let's get straight to it. So how this video works is that numbers pick my eyeshadow. So I have first of all, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Morphe James Charles, and this is a new palette that has some colors in there. So I opened the palette. There are so many eyeshadow, and this is a 25 shadow palette, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you multiply 5 by 5, it is 25. So because of that, I have written 25 numbers into this board. So I have the eyeshadow palette and I have the numbers here. So the numbers are number 1 to 25. Right now it's mixed, so I don't know which one is 1, which one is 25. So when I close my eyes and I pick, I'm supposed to pick 3 numbers, because normally when we are doing an eyeshadow, we go in with the base, and we go in with the corner eye, and then we go in with the crease eyeshadow. So I need 3 numbers, and I'm going to close my eyes and pick the 3 numbers. After that, I'm going to decide which of the 3 numbers to apply first, second, or third. Hopefully this goes well, because look at this. What if I get pink, yellow, and I really don't know what's going to happen, but I think it's a challenge worth the try. So let's get to it. So these are my numbers, and I'm mixing them up again. Okay, so I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to pick. Okay, so wish me luck, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so I have this number now, so I'm opening it. This is number 8. You can actually see this number 8. So I'm putting number 8 on my left side, and I'm picking up the ball again, and I'm going in again. Okay, I'll pick this one. So the second one. Open, this is 24. Yes, this 24. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this 24. So we have 8 and we have 24. So now the last one. Oh god. Okay, I'll pick this one. So, number 6. This is number 6. So now I have number 6, number 24, and number 8. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6. Yay! So this is 6. And number 8. So obviously this is 8. And 24, this is 24. Thank God. So let's start applying this eye. I have my buffer brush for the base. So my first, I took 6, 8, and 24. So this is 6. Okay, so we we've applied number 6, so we are going on to number 8. So if this is 6, then 7, 8. So this number 8 now. So number 8 and this number 24. So because I want to create a warm look, I'm going next with 24 for this side of my eye. The last number was 8. I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base to cut a little crease. I like this actually. I really like this. Okay, so I'm back with my lashes and I didn't bake my face, so that's what I'm going to do next. And baking my face, you all know I use the Sasha Butter Cup, and I have some smellies there, so we're going to wipe them away. So guys, thank you so much for sticking and staying to the end of the video. I hope this was really interesting. It was really fun for me though, and I was really glad I was able to choose the colors that I wanted. I don't know if you guys can see the colors really well, so I'm coming closer to the camera to give you guys a full view. Okay, so some brownish, so there you go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. If you are new, once again, please hit the subscribe button. We are trying to get to 1K, and please drop me your comments and your suggestions for my video, for the channel, what you guys want to see. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.